Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope your Ramadan is going well. Welcome back to another recipe for iftar. In today's video, I'll be making Turkish Pide, which is the perfect combination of dough and minced meat. But you can also add your favorite toppings of your choice, which I'll show you guys later on. I had Turkish Pide during my trip to Istanbul, and I knew right away that I had to create it at home. Let's get started. For the dough, you need 4 cups of flour, 300 ml of warm water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Start by combining the yeast, sugar, and warm water to activate the yeast for 10 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add flour, salt, and add the yeast mixture and knead until the dough is formed. Cover it and let it sit for 1 hour. Now for the minced meat, you'll need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 bunch of parsley minced. For the toppings, Kasseri cheese, which is also known as kaşar, and it's a Turkish cheese, but if you don't have this, you can substitute it for mozzarella cheese, but this does make a difference. It gives you the authentic taste of the pide. I also have some beef pepperoni, tomato paste, zaatar, and olive oil. To make the minced meat, in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and add the meat to it. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add a teaspoon of pepper and salt. Add the onions, then the tomatoes and parsley. Mix well and cook it down until it's well cooked and it's ready to go. For the zaatar mixture, add olive oil so it becomes like a paste-like consistency, and it's that simple. Now that I have all the toppings ready, it's time to roll out the dough. On a floured surface, roll out the dough and cut it into 6 equal pieces. Roll out each piece into an oval shape like so. Once you roll it out, fill it up with your choice of toppings. I'm using the minced meat that we made earlier. And now I'll be closing it off, so I'll be pinching the top and the bottom like so that it makes a boat-like shape. I wanted to make different flavors for each piece of dough, so this one is the zaatar and olive oil. Next, I did tomato paste, Kasseri cheese, and beef pepperoni. Now it's ready for the oven. I placed it in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. For the next batch, I made minced meat and Kasseri cheese. This one has zaatar, Kasseri cheese, and pepperoni. And lastly, tomato paste, Kasseri cheese, and pepperoni. Once it's out of the oven, brush some butter on the crust for some extra flavor. And there you have it, some delicious Turkish pide, perfect for iftar time. If you try this recipe out, you will absolutely love it and your house is gonna smell so good. Next week, I'll be posting an inspirational Eid outfit lookbook, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Assalamu alaikum.